Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and this is Blitz Your Kitz, a collaboration where in a 2-month period we find a kit, share it with you, and then the following month we share the projects that we made with said kit. So last month I shared this SCT sampler kit from December 2022. It featured mittens and mistletoe from Crepe Paper and the Magic of Winter from Echo Park. All I have left are these two pieces, one die cut and one circle, which is gonna just be recycled. So that's all I have left. I can't remember if I had also shared that I had leftovers of this kit that featured the mittens and mistletoe and thought maybe I might try and blitz this with that one. And well, I just ran out of time. So I did not touch this at all. So maybe next time. Okay, so what did I make? I made 11 slim line cards. The design is exactly the same. And basically what I did was I found one of the pattern papers and I fussy cut out the images. And then from the remaining papers, I just added the layers. This particular card design is based on Jess Craft's Slimline template 4. So I will try and remember to leave a link to her blog and YouTube video below, one or the other, so that you can check that out and see what she did with her design. So this particular collection, I didn't have very many die cuts with it, so all of the penguins were fussy cut from paper with the exception of this one. So this one and the tree in the background were actually on a 3x4 card. So I trimmed that all out and I had one of these banners as a die. So I used that banner and whatever scraps I had left to cut out the rest. I added some crochet thread from my stash, and this silver cardstock that I matted with was also from my stash. It is some very old Stampin' Up! Silver shimmer cardstock, which I absolutely love, and I am down to like my last few pieces. So like I said, I made 6 cards, 5 of this design, and the way this paper worked out was that I could use the back side because it was double-sided paper. So each card features one 6x6 sheet of paper, just with both patterns. Okay, and then I had some fussy cut images left over, and so I created this little card. So I lied because I had a couple more die cut pieces that I forgot. So I took those plus the remaining fussy cut penguins that I had and did this little scene card. Now I literally used every image from the paper with the penguins on it. If there were any partials, I added them on the inside of the cards. I also added like a silver stripe. So I tried to use up the scraps. So that really I had nothing left over. And I thought this was kind of cute, a little surprise on the inside of the card. So I loved this design so much that I thought I would do the same with the mittens and mistletoe. And in this case I took the floral paper and I fussy cut out the different little flower arrangements. This one I had a few more die cuts, it felt like anyways. So I had like a scroll which I cut in half. I had like a pocket card that I fit there. This toque or beanie, toboggan, depending on where you live. Here's the other half of that scroll. And then I had this little tag. I added the holiday greetings with a die cut. I also had this tag as a ephemera piece in the collection. So again, pretty much the same, where I used one 6x6 sheet for each card. The only difference was that some of these I didn't like the back side, and so I had to kind of mix and match a little bit to make it work, which is why you see something like this where I just swapped some of the papers around. Similarly, I used every bit of that paper, and so anything that I had partial floral images I just added on the inside until I had nothing left. This one also got a piece of that gold foil, gold Glimmer paper, which also was from Stampin' Up. So those are the 11 cards that I made this month featuring my SCT sampler kit. Be sure to check out the other people that are playing along by using the hashtag either in the description of this video or in the title. And be sure to leave a comment as to which card was your favorite. And if you have ever used any of Jess Craft's templates, I'd like to hear which one was your favorite. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting.